stitching quality. All the seams and SPI has to be even. Elastic gather has to be even. Cannot be short and big. So we have to make sure. You can see this side is bigger than this. Okay, I will put it like this. Now you can see the upper one is shorter and the lower one is bigger. So this is very important. We have to make sure the shapes are even. This shape is even after folding from center, and this armhole should be straight, same, and then waist height like this. So they should be even, and then again side seams we have to match. Plain gather has to be even, balanced both sides. Neck shape should be balanced. Armhole should not be stretched out. Both side armhole has to be even, and then this shape of this empire seam, yoke seam has to be perfectly balanced both sides. Okay, from here to here, here to here, all has to be even. All ratio has to be even gather, and then gather has to be 1 inch stock, 1 inch before side seam, because to make it smooth gathering fall. Otherwise, gathering seams should not be just broken when we pull. Okay, the gather stitch has to be put in water soluble thread melt ho jata hai, it melt. Okay, so we use that thread to make it, and nowadays there are attachments which stitch gather, which make gathers and stitch together in one go. Okay, then we don't need that. Otherwise you pull, then pocket placements and pocket opening has to be secured with bar tack all the time. No matter whatever style you're doing, opening of any pocket has to have bar tack. Side pocket has to be even like this, and open. All the tier height has to be even. If you stitch any tier smaller in some place uneven, then their leveling will not be okay. So an elastic we have to use always pre-shrunk, because if you use the non-pre-shrunk elastic, and when customer is washing the garment, it will get shrink, and the neck will be tight, neck drop will be too high, like that. So we have to make sure all the elastic has to be pre-shrunk before we attach, because then garment is going to, and this elastic gets shrink more than the fabric.